The best cycle time we had here was 13 hours that it ran unmanned during night shift, where no one had to stand here and press buttons.
Enztec, based in Christchurch, New Zealand, is a global leader in orthopaedic instrumentation trusted by top implant companies. For over 30 years, they have specialized in designing and manufacturing high-quality hip, knee, and spine instruments backed by exceptional customer support and on-time delivery.
My name is Andre Venter. I started at Enztec at about 2 years ago. Started off at the 3-axis machines and carried over to the 5-axis machines. I was the first one at Enztec to start working on the DOGA machines.
With a talented team of over 90 employees and 14 CNC machines, Enztec leads innovation in orthopedic instrumentation by integrating advanced automation. A key step in this journey was the introduction of the DOGA. For over a year, the DOGA has played a vital role in automating the feeding process, freeing up operators and improving workflow.
The best cycle time we had here was 13 hours that it ran unmanned during night shift, where no one had to stand here and press buttons.
Andre has been instrumental in working with the DOGA since its arrival, ensuring its smooth integration into Enztec's daily operations.
I would say consistent cycle times, so we can really zone it in, and planning. So you can plan those 10 components that's running on the machine at the moment takes exactly so long, and you can plan the next job after that production run is complete. So it didn't take that long to get the machine to do whatever we wanted to do.
The DOGA has transformed Enztec's operations, especially during night shifts, by automating repetitive tasks and ensuring consistent production without constant supervision. This innovation has boosted productivity and streamlined workflows, reinforcing Enztec's commitment to excellence in orthopedic manufacturing.